To understand the magic of Solana, we must journey back to its origins, where the great wizard Anatoly Yakovenko cast the initial spell of innovation. Anatoly, a master chronomancer, envisioned a realm where blockchain could achieve unparalleled performance while safeguarding the sacred pillars of security and decentralization. Anatoly's vision was to create a high performance blockchain, a beacon of speed and reliability. The vision was inscribed in the ancient grimoire known as the White Paper, a tome of knowledge detailing the magical principles that would guide Solana's development. The White Paper is our map, revealing the secret of Solana's architecture and guiding us through its enchanted forest. The White Paper outlines the foundation of Solana's magic, crafted to address the blockchain trilemma, achieving decentralization, security, and scalability. Each spell within the white paper is designed to overcome the obstacles that have hindered other realms. At the core of Solana's architecture are innovation spells and mechanisms, each contributing to its formidable strength. From the Chronomancer's spell of Proof of History, which meticulously records time, to the fortified barriers of Tower BFT that ensures consensus. Every element is imbued with arcane power. These powerful innovations create a seamless blend of speed, security, and scalability, allowing Solana to handle thousands of transactions per second without faltering. The enchantment of Solana's architecture form a harmonious symphony, making it one of the most advanced blockchain in existence. As we explore deeper into the mystical realm of Solana, we will uncover the intricate spells that fuel its unparalleled performance. So, prepare yourselves, adventurers, cause the journey through Solana's enchanted forest has only just begun. In the magical world of blockchains, the importance of verifiable timekeeping cannot be overstated. Traditional consensus algorithms rely on complex mechanisms to agree on the order of transactions, often leading to inefficiencies and delays. But POH, the proof of history, is the chromancer's spell, changes everything by creating an immutable timeline of events. Proof of history weaves a historical record for events, a ledger that can be trusted and verified. By embedding time into the very fabric of the blockchain, POH allows Solana to process transactions with unparalleled speed and efficiency. Unlike traditional algorithms that require constant communication between nodes to agree on the order of transactions, proof of history provides a pre agreed sequence of events. This dramatically reduces the time and resources needed for consensus, enabling Solana to handle thousands of transactions per second. The Chronomancer's spell of POH creates a seamless, continuous chain of events, allowing Solana to scale effortlessly. This innovation not only enhances speed but also ensures the integrity and security of the blockchain, making it resistant to the tampering attacks. Through the efficient weaving of time into the blockchain fabric, POH unlocks the true potential of Solana. Faster processing and enhanced scalability are just the beginning. As we continue our journey, we'll uncover more magical spells and mechanisms that makes Solana a powerhouse in the blockchain realm. Now let's move forward to our next topic, that is Tower BFT. In the mystical realm of blockchains, consensus is paramount. Imagine it as a council of wise wizards, each with their own perspective, reaching agreements through powerful spells. This is the essence of Solana's Tower BFT, a Byzantine fault tolerance mechanism that acts as a council of consensus. Consensus in blockchain ensures that all participants agree on the state of the network, a crucial aspect for maintaining its integrity and security. Tower BFT Solana's mechanism is designed to facilitate this agreement even in the presence of malicious nodes. Tower BFT operates by having nodes vote on validity of transactions. These votes are then counted and verified to reach a consensus. This process is repeated periodically, ensuring that the network remains secure and resilient against attacks. The power of Tower BFT lies in its efficiency and robustness. By minimizing the communication overhead between nodes, it enables rapid consensus without compromising security. This makes Solana capable of handling a high volume of transactions swiftly and securely. Imagine a fortress protected by layers of enchanted barriers, each ensuring that no malicious entity can penetrate. This is the strength of Tower BFT, providing a fortified consensus mechanism that upholds the integrity of Solana's blockchain. Through the powerful spells of Tower BFT, Solana achieves a harmonious blend of speed and security, allowing it to scale effectively. As we venture further, we'll discover more about the mystical mechanism that make Solana a formidable force in the blockchain world. Now, let's delve deeper into the runes of replication. Replication in blockchains ensures that data is duplicated across multiple nodes, preserving the integrity and availability of information in Solana. This process is both efficient and reliable, akin to copying spells onto enchanted scrolls. The mechanics of Solana's replication system involves nodes continuously updating their copies of the blockchain. This ensures that all nodes have the latest information, maintaining consistency across the network. Any discrepancies are quickly resolved through consensus mechanisms like Tower BFT. The rules of replication not only preserve data but also enhance the network resilience against disruptions. In the event of a node failure, the replicated data ensures that the blockchain continues to operate seamlessly without any loss of information. Through efficient replication, Solana maintains high availability and robustness, essential qualities for a reliable blockchain. The system ensures that data is always accessible and protected, contributing to the overall stability and performance of the network. With the rules of replication in place, Solana stands as a resilient and reliable blockchain, ready to face any challenge as we journey deeper, we will uncover more of the enchanted mechanism that empowers Solana's architect. Now, let us go ahead and have a look at the enchanted ledger, the smart contracts. The enchanted scrolls that automate and enforce agreements with the realm of Solana are known as the smart contracts. These powerful spells, written in the arcane language of Rust, are executed on Solana's powerful runtime, bringing magic to life. Smart contracts are the building blocks of decentralized applications that are dApps in Solana. These enchanted scrolls automate complex transactions, ensuring that agreements are executed precisely as coded without the need for intermediary. In Solana, smart contracts are written in Rust, a language known for its efficiency and safety. This ensures that the contracts are both powerful and secure, capable of handling a wide range of applications from decentralized finance to non fungible tokens. Solana's runtime allows for parallel execution of smart contracts, meaning multiple contracts can run simultaneously without slowing down the network. This is a significant advantage, enabling high throughput and efficient processing of transactions. From automating financial transactions to creating unique digital assets, smart contracts unlock a realm of possibilities within Solana's ecosystem. They provide a foundation for innovation, allowing developers to build sophisticated applications that leverage the blockchain's power. Through the enchanted scrolls of smart contracts, Solana empowers a new generation of decentralized applications, transforming industries and crafting new opportunities. As we continue our journey, we'll explore the vibrant ecosystem that thrives within Solana's mystical realm. So, let's go ahead and take a deep dive into the mystical network of Solana's ecosystem. A vibrant ecosystem brimming with magical application and innovation is the one of Solana. This bustling marketplace showcases the diversity and creativity of the Solana community, where developers and wizards collaborate to bring new spells to the life. Within the mystical network of Solana, we find a myriad of projects that leverage its powerful architecture, from Serum, a decentralized exchange, to Radium, a liquidity provider. These projects exemplify the potential of Solana's blockchain. Partnership with other realms further enhance Solana's ecosystem, creating a collaborative environment where innovation thrives. These alliances bring together the best of blockchain technology, driving progress and fostering growth. The strength of Solana's ecosystem lies in its community. Developer, wizards, and enthusiasts work together, sharing knowledge and resources to build a better future. This collaborative spirit ensures that Solana remains at the forefront of blockchain innovation. Through continuous collaboration and innovation, Solana's ecosystem continues to grow and evolve, offering new opportunities and solutions. The journey through this mystical network reveals the true potential of Solana, a realm where magic and technology unite. As our journey through Solana's enchanted forest comes to an end, we are reminded of the power and potential that lies within the mystical realm. Solana's architecture, innovations, and community creates a formidable force ready to shape the future of